Another useful feature in working with contacts is the ability to create a distribution list, or in the case of Gmail, we call them groups. So to create your group, what you're going to do is, again, we're going to come up here to the mail and we're going to switch to contacts. And I'm going to show you a couple different ways that you can create groups. The first way is in this left-hand menu. We're going to come down here to where it says New Group. I'm just going to click on that, and I'm going to give it a name. So I'll just call this my test group. And now from within test group, you should see it over here. There it is. I'm going to add the context that I want to add. So this is pretty much what you'll do. For example, if you're going to make a contact list or a group of parents of the students in your class. So you've got the group name. Then what you'll do is you'll come to this Add to Test Group, and you can go ahead and type each one in individually, or if you want to just paste them in, I've got some email address copied already. Maybe I don't. There we go. And then I'm just going to click Add, and then all those names will pop in there. Now, one thing you should note, if I go back to just my contacts, all those names are added now as contacts, individual contacts as well, which is nice, because now if you want to just send a message to an individual contact, you can do that as well with no problem. So then to use that contact, I'm going to jump back into mail, and I'm going to compose. I can just start to type the contact, whatever I named it. So I called it test group. You can see test group is right there. I'm just going to use it, and all the names from that contact list are in and ready to be sent in my email. Another way that you can work with contacts and create a group, I'm going to jump back into my contacts, is to make a contact list out of the contacts you already have in existence. So if I just clicked on a couple of names here, and then I click on the groups button, I can create a new group, and I just call this admin as my group and say OK. Now I have another contact group with just those two emails, and at this point, if I wanted to, I could even add more emails to that group if I wanted to, since I have a group already created with that name. So that's how distribution lists or groups work within Gmail. So hopefully that gets you enough information that you get started creating those contact lists that you use throughout a school year. For more information on Gmail, please continue to watch the rest of the videos in this playlist.